Project management is a quite lucrative and exciting career option. A successful project manager may quickly rise up to a senior management position. So, impressed by a lot of successful people around, you may have decided to onboard the journey of the project management career. You are enthusiastic about project management and want to become a successful project manager. However, you don't have any prior project management experience, so you don't get the job. And if you don't get the project management job, then how you will get the experience? And you get stuck in this vicious cycle and could not break it. Do you know what is this cycle called? Well, that is called the chicken egg problem of project management. Are you stuck in this loop? If so, then you have come to the right video. Today in this video, we would learn about the chicken egg problem and how to get rid of it. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. Project managers are experienced in overseeing groups of skilled workers and teams to facilitate the completion of projects. Now, coming back to the million-dollar question, which comes first? The chicken or the egg? I do not have any perfect answer for it, but I am going to tell you how you can get out of this vicious cycle. Starting a career in the project management domain is not an easy task, and a time-consuming process. To have a relevant project management experience, first, you need to find your starting point, and that can be done by understanding what is your area of interest. Which kind of technical skills do you have? What are your best skills? Once you find your domain or area of interest, you would need to integrate your interest with the current status of your professional journey. This will lead you to point of reference or starting point of your project management career. It will depend if you are a student, job seeker, or working professional. If you are a high school graduate or diploma holder, then the best way to learn through certified training courses. You can refer to online courses at YouTube, Coursera, Udemy, and other web portals to have basic knowledge of project management and its application to various industries. If you are pursuing a bachelor's degree or just freshly graduated from college, then you should get enrolled for a certified training course to learn the basics concepts of project management techniques, processes, and tools. The best way to gain knowledge at this stage is to join an internship or apprentice's job on small projects. If you already graduated and looking for an entry-level job, you may join a certified training course with accredited certification. A well-known course from an accredited organization will help you to gain exposure to the professional project management world. You may also evaluate the option of pursuing a full-time or online university degree course in project management. If you are a graduate or postgraduate with significant work experience, then your first place to learn project management is working on the full-fledged project. To get an opportunity to work on the project, you will need to prove your project management knowledge. Once you know where you can study project management, the next step is to identify a suitable course or degree, which is the best fit for your project management career. It will depend on the type of job profile, time availability, and personal goals. You should check which qualification is most commonly sought in your industry. Which degree or certification do you see mentioned most in the kind of job descriptions you're interested in? Which one is best suited to as per financial capability and availability of time? Which methodology will better fit your company's users? What is your preferred location in the world do you want to work? Once you find out the right course or degree program, you will need to spend a good amount of time and effort in studying the project management skills and curriculum. The duration and effort will depend on the type of course that you have chosen and its compatibility with your current professional status. This process may take from weeks to years. As you grow and climb through your career ladder, you will realize that you are actually managing some sort of project, either a small or big one. It is an integral component of all senior positions in an organization, across all domains. Even though you do not have any formal project management training, certification, or degree, you can start working on a project if you get the chance. Learning by doing is the best way to learn project management skills. Often your first opportunity might be a junior level position. You can start working as a project coordinator or even an assistant, and then make your way to the top. Trust me, if you follow the above strategy, you will reach senior project management positions in much less time than you imagined. And now you know how to break this vicious cycle. Tell me, currently, which problem you are facing, the chicken or the egg? Let me know by leaving a comment below right now. And if you would like to know more about projects and project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, We support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.